Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I slayed my very first frontal wig. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I did this beautiful brown sugar makeup look. But first, if you are not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, sis, and hit that notification bell while you're at it. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So before we jump into slaying this wig, I just wanted to say thank you to Unice for sending me over this beautiful unit. It's perfect for the summer months. It is the perfect color. It is the perfect length. This unit does not lack luster. Normally when you have color hair or you color hair, it does kind of take away the health of the hair. But this hair is still healthy, you guys. It's still shiny. The curls are bouncy. The curls are defined. You cannot tell me this unit is not perfect. Like, I have been enjoying wearing this unit, you guys. Like, the color is everything. I love me some color during the summer months. This is beautiful. Being that this was my very first time installing a lace front unit, Unice made it super easy for me, you guys. The lace is really nice. It's really good quality. It is a medium brown kind of lace color. I did not have to bleach the knots, but I will say if you're a lighter skin tone than me, then you may have to bleach the knots. But it was just perfect for my skin tone. I plucked this wig and I also washed this wig. Other than that, it was a straight out of the box and throw on the head type of situation. I did not have to do too much to this wig at all. I did not have to plug too much. Nothing had to be overdone with this wig. Nothing at all. Like, it did what it was supposed to do and it gave what it was supposed to give. I'll be sure to leave all the links down in my description bar below so you can purchase this unit if you would like to, and use that coupon code that I have down for y'all as well, because y'all know we love to save some money here over on this channel. So once again, thank you so much, Unice, for sending me over this super easy to install unit. Let's jump right into it. So right now the hair is pretty much kind of like air drying. I am gonna like fluff it out and stuff, but it's the air drying right now. So while it dries, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the eyes as usual. So I'm gonna be dipping into this Juvia's Place Warrior palette. Y'all do not mind my skin. I'm trying to get it together, okay? Just ignore the skin. Ignore the skin. So the first shade I'm dipping into is this shade right here. So I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this Black Radiance palette. I'm gonna be using the contour shade out of here. I really could have just used this whole palette as eyeshadow. You know what? Let's do that. So I use one shade out of the Juvia's Place, but we're gonna go ahead and just use this Black Radiance contour palette. So just because you feel like you don't have eyeshadow or whatever it is you think you need to do makeup, you really don't, okay? So if you have some contour or if you have some blush, you have eyeshadow. It's so many different ways that you can use makeup products. You don't necessarily have to use a blush as a blush because it says blush. You can use blush as an eyeshadow. You can mix it with some type of cream and wear it as a cream blush. You can wear it as a lipstick. Like, makeup, there are no rules when it comes to makeup. And then next I'm going to go ahead and take the contour shade in this palette and blend that into my crease. So now that I have that blended, that is so pretty already, girl. Ooh, that's pretty. So I'm going to take the highlight shade in this palette and I'm actually going to just pack this pretty much all over the lid. This is super cute. It's very natural looking. Exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. Something golden but still very natural. So eyeshadow is done. I have never done eyeshadow that quick, girl. That was under 5 minutes. That was top tier, okay, for my time record. So for my primer, I'm going in with the Becca Evermatte primer and I'm gonna apply this to the places on my face that get the most oily. So for my foundation, I do want something that's going to be matte and that's going to last because I am going to be wearing this makeup for an extended, ooh, I just cracked my neck, period of time, and I'm going to be outside. We outside today. So I'm going in with this Fenty Beauty. I actually think I'm going to start wearing a robe to film in more often because I don't feel as crazy or as scared about doing my makeup when I have on my robe. Oh, just so you know, this foundation does oxidize. This is not my summer shade, but we're gonna make it work. Don't get scared if you see me turn into an Oompa Loompa in about a few seconds. Y'all know I am really good about not applying a whole lot of foundation to my forehead. So when it comes to my clients, you guys, I do a really good job as far as doing their makeup for my girls that wear frontals and closures. But y'all, I just did a really good job on myself. Like, I did real good, like real good, girl. So for my concealer today, I'm gonna be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And then I'm just gonna apply some of the Tarte Shape Tape just to kind of lighten things up just a little bit. And while that dries, I'm gonna go grab some lotion because my hands are screaming for me to get lotion bad. And we're back. Whew, my hands feel 10 times better. They feel so much better, y'all. So I'm gonna allow that a little bit more time to dry, because sometimes when I think it be dry, it don't be dry for real, for real. I'm trying to see if I want to go kind of natural with the lashes, or do I want to go full glam. Let's do natural since we did the glam ones the last time we did a makeup look. Then for my setting powder today, I'm going to be using this Laura Mercier. This one is in the shade, it's another little mini trial travel size one. This one's in the shade Translucent Medium Deep. I hope this is not way too dark for my under eyes, but I have just been wanting to try this one out. Oh wow, this is perfect. Like, it didn't make it darker, it didn't make my makeup lighter underneath the eyes. This is perfect. And this is perfect for like nighttime. You guys know we talked about that in my last video. So yeah, this is perfect for like night makeup, when you want your makeup to really be set and not give you flashback. So now I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. And because this is like my summer, well, my winter shade, I am it matches, but it's just a little light for me for right now. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 Mocha. Snatching up the nose. Then I'm gonna go ahead and contour the face, bronze up the face, and use this bronzer from Morphe in the shade Leader. I can't believe how good that powder turned out to be. Yeah, now I'm looking a little bit better. I'm looking how I'm supposed to be looking, okay? So moving on to blush. I love an orange peachy blush on women of color. So I'm using this blush palette right here, and I'm taking this shade. Then for highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. A little on my nose, a tad bit on my cheeks. Y'all know the drill. This is so pretty. I haven't used this in a while. I finished with this face pretty fast. And I think I'm just gonna do a little mascara on the bottom. I don't want anything too crazy. I don't think I want eyeliner. Let's do the lips first. Let's do the lips first, and then I'll decide on if I want eyeliner or not. And this is just one of my favorite lip pencils. It's super dark, but I love it. This is the Wet n Wild. I also use this on my clients. They love it. It gives that beautiful ombre effect. Y'all, I actually used this lipstick that I'm about to put on me on one of my clients earlier this morning, and y'all, It was so pretty on her. It was so pretty, and we're literally almost like the same skin tone. I pretty much used my same foundation shade on her, and she had this color right here, girl. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's like the perfect brown shade. It has like the caramel golden undertone to it. This lipstick is fire. I literally went to 3 hair stores today, you guys, trying to find this lip color, and I could not find it anywhere. I do want a little liner on my waterline, I think. So I'm taking this Essence liner in Espresso. It's just this chocolate dark brown eyeliner. Y'all, her makeup was so cute, and then I did like a lighter color in her waterline, like that neutral nude color. Her makeup was fire. I like that. And then I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara. This is my client that I've been telling you guys about. I don't know if y'all remember, or did I tell y'all? But anyway, she has like bottom lashes. I'm like, girl, anybody that I do their makeup, nobody has bottom lashes. But my girl got bottom lashes. Don't play with her. Y'all, I don't know if I want to add like some concealer in my part, but I think it's already kind of light enough. I don't really care for it to be super big either. I'm scared if I try something, I'm gonna mess it up. But I think that's what's gonna make it look natural. Like, it gives me real deal brown sugar. Brown sugar, honey, that's it. It gives me 90 vibes. Brown sugar. Let's fix this hair real quick, girl. So, I'm feeling like brown sugar for real. Okay? I'm feeling like brown sugar for real, girl. I'm trying to decide on if I want to put something in my part. And I actually think I did a really good job slaying this wig for the very first time. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope you guys check out this hair. Like I said, everything will be linked down in my description bar below. Girl, I cannot stop looking at myself in this mirror, in this monitor. Y'all cannot tell me that I did not slay this wig for my very first time. Stop playing with me. It is gorgeous.